Today's medical-centric topic is how to potty train your baby, tips and tricks. Potty training is a significant milestone in a baby's life, and it's important for parents to approach it with patience, encouragement, and positivity. While it may seem daunting at first, potty training doesn't have to be a stressful or frustrating experience. With the right techniques and mindset, parents can successfully potty train their babies in a relatively short amount of time. Here are some tips and tricks to help you potty train your baby. 1. Wait until your baby is ready. There is no specific age when babies are ready to start potty training. However, most babies are ready between 18 and 24 months of age. Signs that your baby is ready include showing an interest in the toilet, being able to communicate their needs, and staying dry for longer periods of time. 2. Choose a potty chair or seat. Decide whether you want to use a potty chair or a seat that attaches to the regular toilet. Potty chairs are often more comfortable for babies and easier for them to use, but a seat that attaches to the regular toilet can help them transition to using the toilet like an adult. 3. Make it a routine. Establish a regular routine for potty training, such as taking your baby to the bathroom every 2 hours or after meals. Be consistent with the routine to help your baby learn what is expected of them. 4. Use positive reinforcement. Praise and reward your baby for successful potty trips. Positive reinforcement can be as simple as clapping, giving a high five, or offering a small treat, such as a sticker or a piece of candy. 5. Dress your baby in easy-to-remove clothing. Choose clothing that is easy for your baby to remove quickly when they need to use the bathroom. This will help them learn to use the potty independently. 6. Don't punish accidents. Accidents are a normal part of the potty training process. Avoid punishing your baby for accidents, as this can lead to anxiety and resistance to using the potty. 7. Be patient. Potty training can take time and may not always go smoothly. Encourage and support them throughout the process. Potty training can be a challenging but rewarding experience for both parents and babies. With patience, positivity, and the right techniques, you can successfully potty train your baby and help them achieve this important milestone. Remember to celebrate your baby's successes, no matter how small, and be patient through the inevitable setbacks.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.